Many of you guys ask me that why you are not consistent on your YouTube channel. I do not see myself doing YouTube as full-time job. Lot of mental health issues. I had lot of anxiety. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I am Palvi, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel below before you leave. So today's video, as you have seen in the title below, that it's a life update video, plus I will be getting ready. Just like I'm not going anywhere, but thought of showing you a sort of a wintry kind of a makeup look. So yeah, without further ado, without making this intro any longer, let's get going to the video. So my skin, as you can see, is completely bare. I have nothing on my face. So first thing I'll be doing is prepping my skin, and I'll be using Mamaearth Vitamin C Serum. In this video I will be doing a makeup look, but I won't be telling you guys that what products I'm using. Therefore all the products will be in the description box below. If in case you want to buy anything, if you want to see anything, all the links will be in the description box below of whatever I use. So as you can already see the background, I am not at my home, I am in my natives. I am at Gujarat. So if you guys don't know, that my mom is Gujarati and my dad obviously is a Maharashtrian. You can obviously see it by my surname. So me and my cousin sister, we are almost like half of the time of the year we are here, because whenever we have holidays, vacations of any sort, at least for 1 week, then we come here. Talking about the next video, it will be a vlog. So I am vlogging here obviously, and so that also will be, that video will be up in the next week. The vlog is in the process. I am waiting for the vlog because we don't know if we will be going out somewhere again or not. So I'm waiting for that. If not, then that will be the vlog, like only the ending is remaining to shoot. So almost the vlog is also ready, so that will be up next week, so stay tuned for that. So as you can see, this brush is like broken, but when I like something, I use it till the end. So I like this brush a lot, so I cannot stop using this. I bought this brush around 1 year ago, I feel. Yeah, I feel 1 year ago, or maybe more than that, but I really like this brush. Coming back to life update, a lot of things were going on in my life. Firstly, to address one thing is that many of you guys ask me that why you are not consistent on your YouTube channel, and why you don't post videos often. I do post videos often obviously, but sometimes break aa jata hai, so it's like proper 1 to not 2 months, like more than 1 month break or something of that sort happens. So many of the people ask me why that happens, like what is the reason behind that. So the very simple and straightforward answer to that is because I am still studying, because I am still in my masters. I graduated 2 years ago. I am doing my masters now, higher education, and the last year only 4-5 months are still remaining, and then I will be done with my education for now at least. And उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा stress हो रहा है recently, and because it's the last year, I cannot neglect that and I cannot keep that aside. इसलिए sometimes I have to keep YouTube aside and do that thing first, and then concentrate on YouTube, which I don't like at all, which I hate, to be very honest, because I started with my own personal choice. I started this channel and I don't wanted to suffer, but yeah, that is what is happening. And I thought about it when I was starting the channel, but I thought let's give it a try, and you guys really understand, and you guys still stick around whenever I do not upload any videos. And that time also, like whenever there is a phase that I do not upload any videos, there is increase in subscriber, which I think so is really very nice, and I feel really very happy about that. But at the same time, I get more motivated to post videos, and yeah, that's what it is. So the simple answer to that is I'm still studying. To be very honest, I do not see myself doing YouTube as full-time job in future. I want to do something else. Obviously, I'm not leaving YouTube anytime soon. I am not planning to leave YouTube because this is what I like to do. Because I come here, rant to you guys, I talk a lot, which most of the people don't like, but it's okay. I want to build my audience in this way only, and that's my decision. I want to build my audience who can listen to me. Obviously, I'm also ready to listen to you guys in the comment section below, in my DMs, anywhere, but I want a audience which will listen to me also. And because that is part of my personality, I like to talk, I like to be talkative in front of people who are close to me. And you guys, you are my subscriber, you're my family, so you guys are also close to me, so I like to share everything with you guys, and I like to talk a lot in front of camera, in front of you guys, that you guys are listening to me. So therefore my videos sometimes are really very long, which I understand. I take good criticism, and I understand that many people do not like it. And पहले मेरा videos बहुत long होता था, like 20 minutes. Now it's more so like 10-12 minutes, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 12 minutes हो जाता है. But beyond that, my videos are not that long. So I have taken that good criticism, and I do not keep my videos very long. Beyond that, the one thing that was going on in my life for past month, I feel, is lot of mental health issues. I had lot of anxiety, which is somewhere my fault, you can say, because whenever there is a lot of stress, I just can't function. I used to work literally the whole night. You can ask my parents, anyone. So I used to literally work the whole night. I used to sleep in the morning, and again I used to wake up after 5-6 hours, I think, and then again I used to start working after having my lunch. So that was my schedule. And I am really very bad at handling stress. I cannot handle stress, which is very bad thing in me, you can say. I want to learn how to handle stress, because सब काम एक साथ आ जाता है. That time I get mad, like literally mad. Not only about talking about like studies and all, also talking about YouTube thing. Whenever I have to shoot and edit and post videos continuously on the same day for continuously, I feel a week or so, that has happened once or twice. So yeah, that becomes really very hectic for me, and tabhi bhi I cannot handle stress at all, which is actually really very bad thing, and I want to improve on that. I want to have a proper time schedule to work. Want to have everything on time. I love having that, but मुझसे वो होता नहीं है. Timetable and stuff, I cannot work on timetable, but I like the concept of working on time. Like ये time पे ये time पे ये. I like the concept of working in that pattern, but मुझसे होता नहीं है. I really want to try doing that. I really want to excel in that part, so I'm trying for that. So कभी भी काम आ जाता है, so I get like literally mad, and I forget everything that is there, and I work like a mad person. So and उसकी वजह से there are a lot of issues, mental health issues, and everything happened. That was all the things that were going in my life. But also I wanted to tell you guys that I am pretty active on Instagram, a little bit more active on Instagram than YouTube, and you can follow me there surely, because touch wood, we are growing on Instagram rapidly, and I don't know why the algorithm of Instagram is really very weird. I do not know exactly why, but we are growing on Instagram rapidly. So yeah, we are past 500 subscriber and 500 followers, and if this growth is constant, we will soon cross 1k, and I'm pretty excited for that. So also guys, I wanted to tell you that this is the last day of the year 2020. This year has been really very hectic and bad for us, like for most of us, but I'm quite sure that on personal level all of us grew a lot from inside. We realized a lot of things. Personally for me, I realized a lot of things in the year 2020. I learned gratitude, I learned kindness, I learned a lot of things that will put me in a humble place in future. So yeah, so that is absolutely growth, you can say. And 2020 has been good year for, like, for the personal growth for most of us, because you know lockdown happened and we realized we did a lot of more things than just work, and we realized so many other sides of us also. Looking forward to 2021 and hoping that this year will make everyone happy. This year will bring happiness again back into lives of people. And yeah, happy new year to you guys. And also I wanted to tell you guys that I'm not sure that I will be uploading videos continuously now, at least till my for at least for next 4-5 months. I'm not sure that I will able to post continuously, because of the same reason my education is going on, and therefore I don't want to promise you guys that I will post video every week and etc. I'm not really sure. I will try my 200% to post at least one video every week, but I'm not quite sure, so just putting it out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this makeup look, and also that's pretty much it for this video. But before ending this video, I want to thank you guys. I want to say sorry to you guys because I was unable to post videos regularly, but thank you for sticking around. I know I have a really less amount of subscribers, jitna bhi hai, I am grateful for that, and I am really very thankful to all of them who have subscribed to my channel and who do watch my videos and who do tell me that we like to watch your videos and all. So yeah, I am very thankful for that. And also I am sorry if I am not able to fulfill your expectations, but I will try to do that next year, in the coming year, definitely. And stay tuned and stick around my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and surely you will get all that you have expected from me. Anyways, so that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys like this video. I really hope that you stick around and watch till the end, till here. And I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. Do comment and tell me that what you learned from 2020 and what you will be doing in 2021. What are your plans? Let's talk in the comment section below. Do comment everything in the comment section below. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I really hope that you like this makeup look also. That was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys like this video. So yeah, we will meet next time. Bye.